Hello everyone's welcome to my YouTube channel CompuGeeks. Today I am going to show you some best ever gaming motherboards are chosen in my list. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get interesting tech videos and press the bell icon to get a notification for a new amazing videos. So let's start without wasting any time. The best gaming motherboard helps to define your PC build. It will determine which of the best gaming CPUs you can slot into your rig, both now and in the future, and that will have ramifications on practically every other aspect of your new PC. The most important choice to make is going to be about which side you fall on in the great AMD vs Intel debate. That will determine how much you're going to spend on your subsequent CPU purchase, how much you really need to spend on a motherboard, and how much you're going to have left over to spend on a quality graphics card. AMD processors are cheaper on a per-core basis, and don't need a super high-end board to deliver high-end performance. That means you can save some cash to spend on a better GPU. If you forget the value proposition for a minute, then Intel's chips offer the absolute best possible gaming performance. It's important to note that for Intel's 10th gen chips, such as the Core i9-10900K and Core i5-10600K, you will need a whole new Z490 or B460 motherboard. AMD has also just released its new B550 boards, offering PCIe 4.0 support at a more reasonable price than a high-end X570. We'll be filtering those options in as we get through testing them. Your choice of gaming motherboard will also influence other parts of your build, not least of which is the size of your PC. There are three main sizes to contend with: Standard ATX, Micro ATX, or MATX, and Mini ITX. These days that doesn't mean a compromise in performance, just a compromise on features and number of slots. Fewer DIMM slots, M.2 connectors, and PCIe slots, for example.
Give your next build a solid foundation with one of the best gaming motherboards. Number 1. Asus ROG Maximus 12 Extreme. Number 2. Gigabyte Z390 Aorus Ultra. Number 3. Asus ROG Maximus 11th Hero Wi-Fi. So guys, this the motherboard that I have been choosing in my list. So guys, this the video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please comment below and make sure subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.
Wow.